guys were knowing, yesterday I got, you guys probably remember this from one of my videos about 2 years ago or something like that, a year ago. Me fixing this car. It was a really bad sheet and I just found it way in an old shed. I haven't used it in a while, but I put a new battery in it. This is what it's called, sticky stuff on it. I put tape on it the last time I used it to protect it, but then I found it and I took off all the tape and then that crap. But we got a new thing. New RC car. Oh, you see that? See the size difference in that? A big, big Jeep. It is awesome. I found this old thing too. But we won't be able to use it because I don't have a battery. No battery under her. As you can see, observatory. And this car's all ready to go. Let's take it for it. I don't know which is faster, my Lambo or that. But the Lambo's melted, so it must be that. We should make a jump. We should jump right off that. I need a piece of wood or something. All this junk. But not one thing that I can use for a jump. Not usable? Let me try it. Where's your results? Here's your results.
Guess what? I'm paying for my buddies to read it.
Oh, sisters, I hate them so much. There's nothing in my house at all I can use for a jump for this car. So I'll come back in part 2 when there will be a jump meet.